Hi everyone friends, I am back and today we will restore a Huawei Honor X7 mobile phone. We will change LCD and the glass of the back camera. As you see, it has a crack. So let's start. This phone is my friend Pavel phones. He always breaks something. So take out the SIM tray. Okay, check if it's not working, powered off. What we need to do next, we will as always hit very carefully back panel, and when I done it I will come back. Okay, I already hit it, and we will start from this side. You as well start from this side, because from this side there is no buttons, because from the side where is buttons there will be a flex. I will show you. One time I have damaged it when I take out the battery cover, so don't do my mistake. I will show you everything. Okay. Oh shit, sorry. Okay, this is plastic, so don't be afraid, you will not damage it. It's only a plastic. Okay, we need to hit it much. I guess we need to hit it a little bit more. Okay, maybe now it will be easy a little bit. We will see. Okay, yep, nice. What we need to take, okay, we can put there. Okay, be very careful because you never know what you have there. Okay, from that side we have flexes. Yeah, like I said to you, I will show you. See, be careful with that. There is a flexes. Okay, here we need a bit more. Okay. You see, don't be afraid, it's not a glass. It's not a glass, it's plastic. Okay. Okay. See, this flex, I was talking about this flex. Okay, we finally take out the battery cover. Now we need to unscrew all these screws around, those all black, from the up until the bottom. Okay, I will come back when I done it. Okay, I already unscrew all those screws. Oh, now I'm lying. One head left. Okay, And what we will do now is to take plastic tool. It comes with the LCD when you order it, and try to take out the plastic frame. That is okay. Be very careful as always, because you never know what is inside. There can be small tiny cables and flexes and other stuff. Okay, be careful with the frame, because there is a button and it's fingerprint. So first you need to disconnect the fingerprint, you see. Be very careful. Yeah, that's it. Now we can take out the frame. Okay, next what we see here, we need to disconnect the battery flex, then the main flex and the LCD flex, I guess. And don't forget our lovely tiny cable, coaxial, or how it calls, I forget. Okay, and the board must to comes out easily, because I didn't see screws that hold in it. Okay, we will try. Okay. Comes out easily. No, sorry, my mistake. There is one screw. See here. I'm too old. I need glasses. Okay, so I guess now it will comes. Yep, it comes out. What we have here? Some plastic. What is this? Okay. Okay. As you see, motherboard is off. We have here a new one LCD, and what we need to take out from here is the speaker and the flex of volume up, volume down and power on button. So I will hit it and come back. Okay, I come back. What we have here? Okay. The speaker, put it back here in the place. Now we need to take out the flex of the volume down, volume up and power button. Be careful, it's very tiny flex, you can easily damage it. I know I say it too much times per my video, but trust me, I had done damage it not one time in my life. I don't want you to repeat my mistakes. So okay, it's all the time. Something can okay. So with there is a steel, so you need to take out with the steel. See, steel plates, and it's glued on it. Okay, now we can just easily move it to the new place. I guess easily. Okay, I need to take my glue, maybe, or maybe not. Yes, definitely I need to take a glue and glue it. Or not everything okay. So next what we should do, it's the downboard. As you see, disconnect the main flex, then what we see, disconnect this coaxial tiny cable. Okay, what we have here, this plastic, it will come out easily. It's a speaker, as you see. Okay, and the board is holding on one screw that we need to unscrew. Okay, now we can take it out. I guess we can. Yep. Now next, the vibrate motor. As you see, it says always glue it very nicely. Okay, we can put it back here. Now the board. Okay, the board can be screwed back because we don't need nothing. Okay, next, this dynamic speaker. Okay, next, this tiny cable. This is my favorite part of job, of course, before the battery. Okay. See, connect this tiny cable back, then put it in the rock stack. Okay, it's a bit difficult, but we will do it. Okay. There is. Okay. Don't forget to connect coaxial cable. Okay, nice, good. What we have here as well, put in the rocks. There is plastic pieces that hold in cable inside the rocks deck. Okay. Whew, finally, what we have left, it's my favorite part of the job, battery. I will heat it and we'll come back when I done it. Okay, I take out the battery, and what we need next, this main flex. We need to take it out and connect it to the downboard and put back. Okay. Okay, now we can put back the main board. I guess we can. Okay. What next? Don't forget to screw the bolt that holding it. This one. Nice. Now we can connect the LCD. Okay. I forget to take out the coaxial cable. Okay, now it's take out and we can put it back. Connect to the main board. Okay, it's connected. Nice. This is in the place, this in the place, everything is in the place, I guess. But we will find out if anything will be wrong. Okay. Now we can try to connect the power cable. And this is not this side. I need to clean. Oh. Okay, it was fully. Battery was 0, so I wait, I charge, and it starts to work. Nice. What we have here, I will show you. Yep, as you see, and there is only 1%, must be. I try to put back the frame in its place, and it is on its place. Yep, I guess. Yeah, as you see, there is a 1%. But what we have here, it must be, hey, it's working, the back cameras, okay, working as well. Okay, we can turn off the battery, the phone. Okay, and next we will need to screw back those old screws, and I will come back. Okay, I had all screws, and now we can put back the back glass or cover, how you wish, and for this I will use B7000 glue. Take it very carefully, then put it here. Okay. Okay, and I will take a cover. It will be better glued. inside of the cover. New one. Okay, fits perfectly. What we have here now, we will see. Yep. We checked it already, it was working, so now it's not big deal. It's already green, and before it was a red. So yep, 1%. As always, we finish restoration, and we have done it very well. It's thinking too much, but it's okay. Yep, it's working, so thanks that you was today with me on this restoration, and see you next time, friends. Bye.